Czanik models data set. So the first competition, and which is a bit of a data science classic, it's called the Hello World problem of data science, is predicting which individuals would have survived or died on the Titanic. So what they do is they give you a training set and a test set. You don't have to split those by yourselves. And what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to load the training set into a Pandas data frame. Okay, so let's start off with adding a new Python file to our project. Let's call that Pandas example.py. Okay, and we're going to import Pandas as PD. That is